Hey everyone, in this video we'll be talking about links in HTML. Links are a fundamental component of the web, allowing users to navigate between pages and access external resources. Starting with the HTML boilerplate code and live server started, let's add a link to our HTML code. Links are added by using the a tag or anchor tag, and the href attribute specifies the destination of the link. In the browser, you should see a link called Link to Google displayed on your page. Clicking on the link will take you to the Google website. Hit the back button on your browser to go back to your page. Now let's try adding a target attribute to our link. The target attribute specifies where the destination of the link should be opened, such as in a new tab or a window. Now when you click on the link, it will open the Google website in a new tab. Now let's try adding a link to another page in our site. To do that, we'll need to create a new file called products.html and add our boilerplate code. Also add a link to go back to our index.html page. Now let's add a link to the products.html file in our index.html file. Clicking on the link to products will take you to the products.html page. Clicking on the back to home link will take you back to the index.html page. That's it for this video. Links are a crucial part of the web, and they can help you create engaging and interactive websites. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.